guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Demi. So today I'm looking a little crusty, just a little crusty because I have a little makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm a beginner, so if I can do this, you can do it too, because listen, I don't know how to do all that other jazzy makeup stuff. This is just your regular everyday look, and we're gonna try to accomplish this in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. We're gonna do it in 5 minutes, okay? So let's get into it, y'all. And I don't use anything super expensive because I am El Cheapo, okay? I don't like spending my coin. So everything that I'm using you can get from the beauty supply store, the local drugstore, and that's it. I don't have any like fancy brands in this video, anything like that. It ain't sponsored. Y'all know I'm broke. Anyways, let's get into the video.
So the first thing you want to do is brush your brows, girl. I had to make sure y'all could see what I was doing. And then you want to get your eyebrow pencil and fill them suckers in. I typically use a brown pencil because black is just way too harsh. So just fill them in and make them look cute. Y'all see it? Y'all see the brows on flick? Flicky, 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 flicky. Don't talk about my stuff because I only have a little bit left, but I normally just put this under my eyes and on my cheekbone where I have the most dark spots, I guess. Like I said, this is my everyday look, so I'm not using fresh new brushes straight out the pack. Listen, this is my brush, y'all. Don't come for me. So you just want to spread that across your face evenly, of course, making sure you get your entire face. You don't want it to like be only in one section. Y'all see my circles, so I always go in and put a lighter concealer under my eye area just so that I don't look like a freaking zombie. Make sure y'all pat the foundation or concealer onto your face. Like, don't drag it, pat it. Pat, 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 pat. So now you're just going to take this finishing powder and set your concealer. I didn't show y'all that, but that's like the finishing powder or something. I'm not too sure what it does, but yeah, put that on your face too. Make sure it's even. I put all that light stuff on my face, like that light powder, so I go in with another Maybelline powder and just put it everywhere else just so that I don't look like a freaking ghost. This eyeliner process is like the most time consuming for me because I don't have a steady hand and I'm always messing up. But I really love liquid eyeliner, so I'm getting better at it though. I gotta just keep checking to make sure my eyeliner is even because sometimes the line be thicker on one side than another. It stresses me out, but it's worth it in the end because, you know, it just gives your eyes a pop. Here I go with my mascara, just making sure I evenly coat my lashes and bring them out because I don't know how to put eyelashes on. So the mascara is really all I have to pop out my eyelashes. And here is my favorite part, lip liner and lip gloss. Look at that, so pretty. Just take my lip brush and blend out the lip gloss so that the lip liner isn't too harsh. Darn it, I done messed my stuff up. Okay, so let's fix that and continue with making ourselves look beautiful. I mean, we were already beautiful, but whatever, you know what I mean. Blend, 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 blend.
So this is the look, okay, 5 minutes or less. It's about 5 minutes. It was a little over 5 minutes because I had to keep going down and showing y'all the product. So I'm deducting time for that. And I did get a little, look at my lip right here. Did mess up my lip a little bit, but this is my Zoom look, y'all. I'm ready for Zoom University. Let me know if you want to see more makeup looks. I don't have that many. Like I said, the next look from this would be just eyeliner wing. I didn't do wings today because the wings add like an extra 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Trying to get them suckers even. I ain't got time for that, okay? I do not have time for that. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I didn't show y'all all the products, but I'll definitely put them in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. Please don't forget. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.